to my channel, Cheche here once again, and for today's video, it's another unboxing of our vlogging accessories. So, are you ready? First to unbox, we have the Inca i3530D tripod. And the second that we will unbox is this Grip Tight Mount Pro for any smartphone. So this will be attached to this tripod. And we have this Impulse, Joby Impulse, so Bluetooth remote. Thank you, Nicole, my videographer for today. So this is the first time I open. Oh, it comes with the bag or the case. So you have the tripod bag included for carrying case. It has a flip leg locks for fast setup. 3-piece brace tubes are made of plastic. 3-way head with quick release plate. Mid-level leg stabilization system and canopy. Geared aluminum center column with spirit level. So these are the specifications. Ooh, cute, isn't it? So that's the middle bit. And you can, it's locked. It will be really nice to use here in the mountain area. It has a spirit level. Look, you can adjust it and then you can wind this up for more height. But I don't have to worry about my height, as you can see. Don't laugh at me, Nico. So, ta-dang! Height. I don't need that. So we will wind it down, So that's our Inca tripod. Open this Grip Tight Mount Pro. The brand is Joby. The Joby. That's the adjustment. Well, it's universal. I will just be testing. So I'm supposed to get the case out of the phone, or because it has a phone grip. I've seen during the demonstration, the guy just put in the case. Well, I want my phone to be protected as well. So see how I'm putting the phone in? So I'm just putting the phone in like that. It has this adjustable part. Huh? There's a spider according to Nicole. And see how I did that? Here, I just tighten it. And tighten it this way here. Where is the spider? Nicole is really scared of the spider, so we want to get rid of the spider first. What a filming! What's got to do with the spider? Okay, hang on. She's scared of the spider. Spider, go away. Okay. Okay, it's gone. Alright, the spider's gone. Let's continue. That's just an intermission for it. So, I tighten it here at the back and I tighten it here. So when you're filming, you can just do that. Do like this, or you can just put it up here. If you're cooking, whatever you're doing, you can do it like that. Or you can do it this side. Alright. Nicole's just trying to get the side view now. She's still whispering. All right. I like. Oh my God, that is pretty. Now I will show you. Bluetooth remote. Take the ultimate selfies and capture creative angles with this certified Bluetooth remote. So you can use the remote until you're 90 feet away, or that is 27 meters. Oh, look, there's a battery, I think. I just remove it. Can you remove it for me, Nicole? Remove that plastic, then it will be Yes, ready to go. And this is the another part of this remote. Ah, I see. This is it. And then you can attach it to wherever you can attach. Steve of Garrick's Camera House, thank you so much for your patience. Check it out, Garrick's Camera House. No, this is not sponsored. I was just their customer. And next is our shout outs. You shout out time.
Look at the lovely view, you know, I don't think you can see it properly for tough luck. Well, shout out to Jelly, Edna, Ma'am Jean, Mylene, Susan, Jean, Annie coming in and doing the rest.
More shout outs, people. Claire, Glenda, Helen, Gina, Juana, Dario, and my friend Early. Shout out to Griselda, Kathy, Ruth, Lillian, Shello, Nelson, Ida. Thank you for all your support and keep on watching our videos. Bye! Bye! Did you turn it off?
Yeah.
Okay. Review. Hi, I'm dinner!
What? Wasn't on.
It's still on. You better turn it off.
As I was saying, shout out to Jelly, Edna, Ma'am Jean, Mylene, Susan, sorry if I mentioned your name wrong. Okay, bye.
Bye, Claire, Glenda, Helen, Gina, Juana, Dario, Early. How many shout outs do we have to make for this afternoon? We're really pumped. Bye.
Okay, we're ready. Also, this is what we use. Very you should check it out.
Maybe we'll,
It's really nice and I'm not sponsoring anything. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
She's not sponsoring anything.